So I lit up my room. I just kind of set up some lights, really simple setup. And I want to take you guys behind the scenes to show you how I did it so you can use it too. Alright, so the first thing I did was frame my shot, and so I had to decide which direction I was going to be shooting, which is this direction. And I also decided where I was going to be sitting, which is right here. And so that kind of set the foundation for me to bring in all of the lights. Okay, so the first light I set up was this guy right here. This is my key light, which is just another way of saying my main source of light. So it's doing all of the heavy lifting. I threw on a softbox, which diffuses the light and makes it fall evenly across my face. It's very flattering. It takes harsh light and makes it soft, hence softbox. Light number 2 goes by many names. It goes by backlight, it goes by hair light, it goes by kicker, and that is this one right here. It's illuminating me from the back, giving me this nice halo effect, and all that does is it gives dimension to the image and it separates me from the background. My last 2 lights have been hiding in plain sight this whole time. You might have noticed them. It's this lamp right here and the laptop behind me, and so I decided to keep them for 2 reasons. One, I really like the lamp. I think it looks cool and it's not too distracting from the shot. And the second reason is the laptop. I wanted the kicker light that's giving me this nice glow to look like it's coming from the laptop, which is what we call motivated lighting. Well, there you have it. This was my lighting setup. Super simple, super basic. If you want me to go more in detail, just let me know down below. I hope this was helpful and I'll catch you guys later.